Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 14 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get us to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Now let's start. India has given 1 million to Antigua and Barbuda for COVID response. So Antigua and Barbuda is the country and India has given 1 million. इंडिया ने 1 मिलियन दिया है एंटीगुआ एंड बरबूडा को फॉर कोविड रिस्पॉन्स. एंटीगुआ एंड बरबूडा कैपिटल इज सेंट जॉन एंड करेंसी इज ईस्ट कैरेबियन डॉलर. Katra to Delhi Express road corridor will be completed by 2023. So just remember Katra to Delhi Express road corridor by 2023. Also 2023 is the deadline for private trains, and also capital of northeast state will be connected by trains till 2023. So just remember all of them, and its cost is 35,000 crore. Katra to Delhi Express road corridor. Justice Arun Misra is the head of Supreme Court bench which has given judgment that daughters have equal rights in paternal property. So just remember Mr. Justice Arun Misra is the head of that Supreme Court bench जिसने ये जजमेंट दिया है दैट डॉटर्स हैव इक्वल राइट्स इन पैटर्नल प्रॉपर्टी. मोइरा बनानास, हर्मल चिलीज and Khaje of which state has got GI tag, that is geographical indication tag, recently? It is Goa. So just remember Moira bananas, Harmal chilies and Khaje of Goa has got GI tag. Also you should remember that geographical indication registry is headquartered in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Geographical indication registry. Also if you can remember in May, check how the black rice of Manipur got GI tag, and saffron of Karewa Highland, it was also in May, got GI tag. Financial bid for the implementation of Gangadhar Mehar lift canal system by Odisha. Just remember Gangadhar Mehar lift canal system, its financial bid for the implementation by Odisha. Also, Odisha approved a proposal to enhance the penalty for violators of COVID रेगुलेशन. उड़ीसा ने एक प्रपोजल पास किया है जिससे पेनल्टी को इंक्रीज़ किया जाए जो कोविड रेगुलेशंस का वायोलेटर्स हैं उनके लिए. जस्ट रिमेंबर द न्यूज़. विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्लान टू लॉन्च कंट्रीज फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल पार्क? इट इज़ तमिलनाडु. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर तमिलनाडु to launch country's first electric vehicle park. And also if you can remember in July, Tamil Nadu topped in market borrowing as per RBI data. So as per RBI data, Tamil Nadu topped in market borrowing. It was the previous news of July month. India's deepest underground rail ventilation shaft is completed by which metro rail corporation? So it is by Kolkata Metro, and it is 43.5 meter deep. So just remember deepest underground rail ventilation shaft is by Kolkata Metro, 43.5 meter deep. Karma Sati Prakalpa scheme to provide soft loans and subsidy to youth. It is of West Bengal. So just remember Karma Sati Prakalpa scheme by West Bengal. YSR Chayuta scheme was launched by which state government to ensure sustainable livelihood for women? So it is Andhra Pradesh. Just remember YSR Chayuta scheme to ensure sustainable livelihood for women. It is by Andhra Pradesh. System based asset classification for urban cooperative banks as per RBI. So just remember it is very important news. System based asset classification for urban cooperative bank by RBI. So for urban cooperative bank with assets of 2000 crore and above, its last date is 30 June 2021, and urban cooperative bank with asset of more than 1000 crore but less than 2000 crore. It is September 30, 2021. So just remember both the dates, that urban cooperative bank with asset of 2000 crore and above, it is 30 June 2021, and urban cooperative bank with assets of more than 1000 crore but less than 2000 crore, it is September 30, 2021. Federal Bank plus Federal Bank with Fiserv to support launch of their first independent credit card. So just remember, Federal Bank has partnered with Fiserv to support launch of their first independent credit card. So F for Federal Bank, F for Fiserv, to launch of their first independent credit card. Goa plus GIZ India and Siemens Limited for vocational and educational training in German language. So Goa has done partnership with GIZ India and Siemens Limited for vocational and educational training in German language. 40 mm under barrel grenade launcher, UBGL, under barrel grenade launcher, which was handed over to BSF, that is Border Security Force, is designed and manufactured by which company? So it is designed by Ammunition Factory Khadki in Pune. Ammunition Factory Khadki, Pune. Just remember 40 mm UBGL. Ballistic Missile Interceptor, that is named Arrow 2. It is by Israel. Just remember Arrow 2 of Israel. Name the country which shares AI, that is artificial intelligence based technology and high end equipment with Ames Valley. So it is Israel. Just remember, Israel shared AI based technology and high end equipment with Ames Delhi. Microwave device named Atulya that can disinfect any premises in just 30 seconds. It is set up in Nagpur, but it is by DIAT, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, that is in Pune. So Atulya is set up in Nagpur, but it is by DIAT, that is in Pune. World Organ Donation Day, it was on 13 August. Patriots Day annually on August 13. It is by Manipur. So just remember both the days. Chingari app, it is the app which has won Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge in social category. Chingari app. Now static from current, Men's ODI World Cup 2023, it will be in India. I keep repeating all of these things because ये definitely 1 या 2 मार्क्स में श्योर पूछी जाती है. वुमेंस ODI 2021, it will be in New Zealand. Women's T20 World Cup 2022, it will be in South Africa. Asian 2020 in Vietnam. Asian headquarter in Jakarta. In previous update, I mistakenly said that Asian headquarter is in Kuala Lumpur, but Asian headquarter is in Jakarta. Papum Forest, it is in Arunachal. Gorumara National Park, it is in West Bengal. Meteorological Organization, it is headquartered in Geneva. It was in previous news, so I keep repeating them. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.